here we are, 2018, start of a new year. New Year's Eve was incredible. But we'll get back to that later. Let me just fill you in on the past week. So it's Christmas morning, which is kind of a lie. So actually, it's the day after Christmas. This is when all of the family could actually get here. We had a great Christmas, spending time together and opening presents, and I got everything I ever needed. $50 Taco Bell gift card. And then we went out to go
roller skating!
Yeah! We wanted to do something really fun, so why not show off our skating skills? And we had some good skills. And then it was time to head off. Bye, guys! Bye! So Emma and I are off to, wait, there's someone else in the car! We're heading to Vegas, but we're gonna make one quick stop in Bear Lake. I actually did a vlog in Bear Lake 6 months ago. What is there to do, man? What can we do?
We're gonna do some sledding and some snowmobiling.
Wait, can you say it like you said on the last vlog? Yeah.
Let's have some fun in the sun! Let's go have some fun in the snow!
Yeah! Up my back. This is how sledding was meant to be. Going down the hill and then taking a snowmobile back up. Thanks for having us. We'll see them in like 3 days, 4 days. Something's happening soon, just so you know. It's a long 8-hour road to Las Vegas. Even longer when everyone is sleeping, but we made it in time for something special. It's New Year's Eve in Vegas. We're gonna travel the strip in style. The sun is setting. This is gonna be awesome. So remember Fly Nyan from my New York City vlog? We all wanted to fly around and have a look at the strip. And the view was incredible. But when the sun goes down in Vegas, well, I think that means it's time to party! New Year's Eve!
Well, it's one for the money, two for the show, three to get ready. Now go, cat, go, but don't you step on my blue suede shoe. Well, you can do anything.
Oh, let's party. Let's party. Hey, Danny, let's go party.
I had a lot of great friends and family, and my Australian family, come out and we had a crazy night. It is almost time. 5 minutes.
I'll be here.
3, 2,
1. Something I've always wanted to do was experience New Year's Eve on the Vegas Strip. And it was amazing.
2018! Woo!
And even more fun trying to get out of there.
See you later. We are getting to know everybody here.
And that brings me back to today. 2017 was a great year full of excitement and adventure.
We made it out. We're safe. We're safe.
And I can't wait to show you what's in store for 2018. Thank you for supporting my channel. And I guess you have to watch the next video to see what is happening.
It's very tight squeeze here. You can't really dictate where you want to go. You just have to go. I gotta get that way, but I don't know how this is working. Yeah, it's just happening.
Thanks again for watching. And if you have a sec, click that little subscribe button. And also you can click that little bell next to it so you'll get a notification every time I create something new.